Hey guys, that is Rexy guys. That time he is playing with me and it's like recess para po siyang nagre-relax guys. Mas gusto nila po yung Persian cat, mas gusto po nilang yung mag hide and seek, tapos yung maglaro-laro kahit madaling araw or gabi, gusto nilang maglaro po. Tapos ang gabi po nila is guys, madaling araw. And Persian cat also is usual po silang na natutulog is 14 to 16 hours. Dapat yung tamang tulog nila, yung tao nga 8 to 10 hours. Paano pa kaya yung mga hayop, diba? That's why we don't need to disturb our cats when they are sleeping the middle of the day also, and wala sila. Let it be guys. That's all for today. So that's is Rexy guys. And hope you like and share. Thanks. Bye.
Ang orange cat. Orange cat. That's for today, guys. Bye. Bye. Say bye, Rexy. Bye, Rexy. Kuno. Bye. Bye. Kuno.